Have you ever dreamt living a life of opulence? Good news, we have you covered. My name is Dr. George Washiri. We have the best of the best news ever in the East African coast. We thank God for all those who bought Zone 1. We have now a zone that we call 5-star, whereby we are doing carbon paved roads, we are doing solar street lighting, we are doing water rectification, we are doing entire place, we are doing perimeter wall. And guess what? We have a private clubhouse, we have a swimming pool. See you there. Let us retire honorably. Have you ever dreamt living a life of opulence? Good news, we have you covered. My name is Dr. George Washiri. We have the best of the best news ever in the East African coast. We thank God for all those who bought Zone 1. We have now a zone that we call 5-star, whereby we are doing carbon paved roads, we are doing solar street lighting, we are doing water rectification, we are doing entire place, we are doing perimeter wall. And guess what? We have a private clubhouse, we have a swimming pool. See you there. Let us retire honorably. Have you ever dreamt living a life of opulence? Good news, we have you covered. My name is Dr. George Washiri. We have the best of the best news ever in the East African coast. We thank God for all those who bought Zone 1. We have now a zone that we call 5-star, whereby we are doing carbon paved roads, we are doing solar street lighting, we are doing water rectification, we are doing entire place, we are doing perimeter wall. And guess what? We have a private clubhouse, we have a swimming pool. See you there. This is exactly what you need in your life. Peace of mind, happy communities, long life. My name is Dr. George Washiri, introducing Vipingo Prime by Optiven. Vipingo Prime comes with perimeter wall, swimming pool, clubhouse, carbon paved roads, coconut trees planted along, beautiful global gate, and this property is only 4.5 kilometers of the ocean.
Own your slice of Vipingo Prime today.
This is exactly what you need in your life. Peace of mind, happy communities, long life. My name is Dr. George Washiri, introducing.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Arcadia Prestige. And today we have a very inspiring show. Today we have a guest with us in the town. And she has come with goodies.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce to you Madam Joan Williams.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Welcome to Seattle.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Is it your first time?
It is my first time, yeah, and I feel people here are very, friendly, and I visited a few restaurants,
Okay.
Kenyan restaurant, and I love the food.
You have eaten fish?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Dry and wet.
Yeah. Are you staying with us or you're going back to Kenya?
I'm actually around from today up to the 16th.
Yeah.
And I look forward to meeting as many Kenyans as possible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you on an investment tour or you have come to settle here in Seattle?
Maybe I'll start by who I am and where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
So I'm Joan Williams, Senior Global Manager with Optiven. Optiven is a real estate back in Kenya, the #1 leading real estate. And our pilot has sent a lot of greetings that he is Dr. George Washiri. And the beauty about our trips is that we are here for business and also to build relationship with our customers, those who have bought and those who are about to onboard.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your position in the company?
I'm the senior.
Because Optiven is a brand.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Optiven is a brand.
Yeah.
What's your position in the company?
I'm the senior global manager.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. You said it's your first time to come to USA?
No, to Seattle.
To Seattle?
Yeah.
So,
US, I have been here for so many years.
This tour,
Yeah.
have you come from another state or?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I was in North Carolina.
Okay.
Very friendly city state.
Yeah.
I went to Dallas.
Okay.
Spokane.
Yeah.
And now I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take us through. Who are Optiven?
Optiven is number one trusted real estate in Kenya.
Okay.
So the beauty about us, we are onboarding foreigners and our own Kenyans. So we have been in the marketplace for 26 years, and our pilot is Dr. George Washuri.
Okay.
And we have our other directors, Madam Mary Washuka.
Yeah.
Wa George.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why Optiven
Optiven.
and not others?
Why Optiven
Optiven?
and not others?
Yeah.
So I would say if you are going to choose Optiven, then you're making the right decision. And I would say why Optiven, one, the experience.
Yeah.
So we have been there, done that,
Yeah.
and given the best experience.
Yeah.
And we do due diligence, and our customer service is on top notch.
Yeah.
When you get to our offices, you definitely, even if you're in a bad mood,
Yeah.
you'll come out smiling.
Okay.
It's even how I'm happy, that's
Yeah.
the spirit we carry.
Yeah.
And also, the other thing
I
is...
had some rumors
Yeah.
that you guys start with prayers in the morning.
Oh,
When you
yes.
arrive. Are those rumors true? Of?
We are a Christian, based organization, and we have great leaders who lead us in the right direction. That is where every morning we do devotion,
Yeah.
just to make sure we pray for our customers. We put them at the front, before we start the day. We have to give it to the Lord,
Yeah.
and tell God to guide our customer, to protect their wealth,
Yeah.
to protect their families,
Yeah.
so that they can enjoy the investment.
Where are your offices located? I want us to do away with the
Yes.
with the introduction and the background of Optiven.
Yeah.
Then we can come to the property and the services you give.
We are located at Absa Towers, that is in Nairobi.
Yeah.
Absa Towers is opposite GPO. So we are on the 2nd floor and 14th floor.
Okay.
And actually, I sit in another office
Okay.
in Karen.
Yeah.
So I'm based in Karen.
Okay.
We have an office at Zamani Business Park.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. You only have one office in Kenya?
No. I just say we have one
Those
in
are
town.
those are headquarters.
Yes.
Yeah.
They're
You have
the
other-
main.
yeah.
Yeah, branches, yes, we do have. Where our properties are located, we have a mini office.
Okay.
So, yeah.
What type of properties or services does Optiven offer to the community or to your customers?
Yeah, so we have commercial and residential properties. And what we do, we go the extra mile and have the value addition. So we deliver.
Okay.
So value addition is like electricity. We have water on the site. We also have, we do Maram compacted roads. But depending on we have different levels of properties.
Yeah.
So the 5-star, we go the extra mile and do Cabro, Cabro roads. But the other ones, we do Maram
Yeah.
compacted. But if it's Maram compacted, it's the best road.
Yeah.
We do the best.
Yeah.
So solar street lighting, we are Go Green company, so we plant trees.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want you to take us through the process of buying a property from Optiven. But first of all, I have heard most of your advertisements. You always mention title deeds are ready.
Yeah.
Is it a salesman language, or is it true that when you say like Vipingo, and you say titles are ready, is it true, or is it just a language to woo the customers?
I love that. Reason being, why is Joan Williams in Seattle? Why am I moving from one state to another? Is for me to deliver the promise, which is the title. So we have people who have received this. So we have witnesses. So these titles, the story is real. We deliver titles. All those properties have title deeds.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can take us first of all, tell us the services or the kind of properties you sell to your clients.
Yeah. We have properties
Then
in
you can
different
take
locations.
us the process.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. I
Yeah.
love that.
Today you are going to also to be our teacher. Yeah. As
I
you
love
sell your properties to us, you
Yeah.
also teach us.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So Optiven, we have different properties. We have properties in the coastal area. So we have Vipingo, we have Malindi, that is Vipingo Golf Club. We have something just next to Vipingo Golf Club. And the reason why I love Vipingo, why would an investor invest in Vipingo? It's the hub of tourists, So, and this is a long-term appreciation of your investment. So, and then the economy is really growing. So that is where it's more of like the hub of economy. So weather is beautiful and lifestyle. So that is why you should invest in Vipingo. So where is this particular Vipingo Prime by Optiven? It's on Mombasa-Malindi Highway. Actually, that road, it's almost done. It's going to be the dual carriage. And so what has Optiven done? We've gone the extra mile. And from the main road, we have like a road that is like 2.4 kilometers. We are calling it Optiven Road, Optiven Hub, where you just get a drive, enjoy the feeling of owning a land, owning a home. That drive will have a cable road. So when you go to Vipingo Prime, why Prime? Why are we calling it Prime? Because we're going to do like a, perimeter wall. Secondly, we're going to do clubhouse. That is a private clubhouse, swimming pool, a recreation center where you can relax, And as we have said, we're a Go Green company, so we are planting extra trees. Currently, we have the neem trees. One thing about neem trees, when you take neem tree, you don't get old. So, and the weather there is really amazing. So that is where you should be looking at. And then we have other properties in Nanyuki, Narumoru, talk of Machakos, talk of Kitengela. We have Thika and Nakuru.
Yeah. I want us to take very briefly. You take us a process. Like, let me use just a word. Mm-hmm. Let me just take a man.
Yeah.
Like a name like Dr. Karogi.
Yes.
Is he?
Yeah.
Maybe it's Dr. Karogi who is in America.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or just Peter.
Yes.
And he this week you'll be meeting Kenyans.
Definitely.
Who want to invest in Kenya. And this person needs to understand from step one, which documents do I need? Mm-hmm. If I'm in America and I'm not able to travel, maybe even to see the property, what next? What are the processes? How do I know whether the Vipingo exists? So can you take very briefly those stages until I get my title deed?
Perfect. I would love to do that. So we have a very smooth journey where we walk our customers through the investment. So once you inquire about our properties, you receive a marketer who can guide you through. So for example, let's say you're working with Joan Williams as your marketer. I am here. And you have, you have interest with Optiven. So I'll share with you a catalog. Definitely, let's say you want Vipingo. So Vipingo, we have two options, 4-star and 5-star. So let's say you choose the 5-star, which has Cabo Road. So I'm going to send you the details, specific details about this particular project, and then send you a map where we can select together, and I select the best for you. And guess what? With Joan, you get good discounts, good offers. We have campaigns, so I always remind my customer, guess what? This month we have campaigns, so get ready to enjoy the campaigns. So these campaigns gives you discount, so that means return on investment. So as we have selected the plot, you do a booking. So after booking the plot, we sent you a receipt. So after receipting, we sent you a link where you fill in your information. And then that particular information that you filled in the link is what we create a sales agreement. Something that is showing you that we are in agreement that you're investing with Optiven. And once you sign, we send you a fully executed sales agreement. So from there, we give you a payment plan. So you select, you can do up to, you can do cash depending on your pockets. You can do installments. 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. So you select. And from there, I will be there with you till the end, whereby after completion is where you receive a congratulation message. And now we can ask you for specific requirement, which is your passport photo, KRA PIN, and the other thing, we ask you to send us your ID fully, both sides, so that we do the transfer.
Okay. Is it a must that if the plot is 1 point, like in Fipingo, how much the plot is going for?
Vipingo, so we have 50 by 100 going for 2.975, and then we have quarters going for 6.3.
Do I have to have that 6.3 or I heard you mentioning, but maybe you can clarify, do you have maybe payment plans?
Yes, we have payment plans. So you can pay either cash or you can pay installments. Installments 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, up to 1 year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Joan, now you're in Seattle. Okay, maybe you can share with us, maybe, do you have like, can you share your mind about the current state of real estate market in Kenya? Some people are fearful, even to invest with real estates.
Okay.
So maybe you can share your thoughts on the current state of the real estate market and how you see it evolving in the future. We have never had any cash flow with Optiven.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's why it's a withstanding brand, and you are always evergreen. You always have, but maybe you can share your thought, maybe to that person who have some fear.
Okay.
Yeah.
For me, I would tell the person who has fear in investing in real estate, they should just come to Optiven. Again, reason being, we have been there. We have good reputation. We do diligence when in buying land, and we have ready title deeds, and then you get value for your money. So maybe you'd allow me to share a story of a lady that I went to visit the other day. So the video should be out very soon.
Okay.
So I was here 2 years ago, and this lady, she gave me a story that she has been sending money to the mom. Actually, the mom, that was so painful. And when she went home, there was nothing. And she's worked for 25 years in the United States.
Yeah.
So that money was gone. She thought she had a home, but there was nothing. So when we met, she felt like we have come to take over again what she has, she has saved. And you know what she told me? Her name is Jane. Jane told me, I'm going to give you what I have, Joan. So if you want to take it, wherever you want to take it, just steal from me. And I told her, Jen, I'm going to go home. I'll select the best plot for you.
Yeah.
That was in Kitengela Victory Gardens. I'll select the best plot for you, and we're going to hold your hand. And when I went there, I gave her a tour. We did like a WhatsApp video.
Yeah.
I showed her the tour of that particular area. And she selected the plot. And with time, we were able to, hold her hand throughout the journey, and through Optiven construction, she has a home.
Okay.
Yes, now she has a home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you measure clients' satisfaction? And what steps do you take to ensure that clients are happy with the services you provide to them?
So we do reviews. We do reviews, so at least we need to know how customer was served. As much as we know our customer service is on top notch, we also do reviews and make sure we understand how the customer pain, did they enjoy or not, And then from there, if there's any issue, then we make sure we take it over from there.
Okay. How can buyers, those people who buy properties from you, maximize their returns on investment they in the current market? Maybe I'm here, I want to buy a property to make it like Airbnb or to rent. How can these people, your customers, maximize their returns on investment in the current market?
For example, talk of the coastal area, and that's why I'm so passionate when I talk about Vipingo, because you see, Vipingo, the coastal area is the hub of tourists, And if you're investing in Vipingo, that will give you an opportunity, to do Airbnb. You can do your holiday home or retirement. This is just like getting invest ROI, and also value for your money. So the growing economic hub in Vipingo, that area, because we're just next to hotels around there, Sultan, Palace. We are next to Sun and Sun, and then there's an airstrip right there. So I feel if somebody is looking to get value for their money, with Optiven, what we do in our properties, we do value addition, and also we choose the best property. Talk of Nanyuki. Nanyuki now is growing. It's now the third town. It's the city now of tourists again.
Yeah.
And where that particular property is right opposite the Opajeta. So people may ask, what is Opajeta?
Yeah.
So Opajeta is like where people go to watch the wildlife. And these people they normally pay like 30,000 per night to stay at Opajeta. But guess what? Optiven is just right opposite. We actually separated by that road that is being dual carriage, So things that people, when investing in land, you should look at. Like now the offices of Nakuru, the county offices, they have been moved to Rumuruti. So that road is being dual carriaged, And the plots from there, they are actually very affordable. An eighth is 399,000, So you can buy from an eighth to 5 acres, 10 acres, depending on what you'd like.
Yeah.
And people have started building in that particular property.
I have a listener who is asking a question. Two listeners, one from UK and one from here, Berryview.
Okay.
The first one is asking that she heard about Optiven Foundation.
Okay.
She wants to know about it and whether you give back to the community. Another one is asking, no, that question has gone. First of all, answer that.
All right. Yes, we have our Optiven Foundation, and Optiven is really passionate about giving back. So I believe, if you give, you receive. And our customer also give, but some don't know how.
Yeah.
So if you invest with us today, 5% of your investment goes back to the foundation. So we have like 6,000 students who are in school because of this foundation.
Yeah.
We are giving people, wheelchairs. We are putting the smile out there. So Optiven Foundation has been there for those years. And our CEO is so passionate about, giving back to the community.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have seen the question. She's asking, somebody listening from Berryview, are you having Easter offer? You see?
Yes, we do. We have Easter offer.
Yeah, explain about it.
Yeah, we have Easter offer, and that one is my offer that I'll give you.
Okay.
When you call the number down below.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a good offer. You wanna have to take advantage of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you are in Seattle, and now you have visited Pacific, eh?
Yes.
You are at the center of Washington and Seattle, and people would like to come and see you from today to 16th.
Yeah.
What do you want these people to find you?
And
also somebody asked whether you can go where they are.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We have cities like, if it's your first time, I'll tell you, now we are in Seattle, Pacific Towers, 22nd floor.
Oh, yes.
But we have cities like Federal Way, Kent, Urban, Tacoma, now Seattle downtown where we are. We have Berryview, we have Everett, we have Greenwood. Where do you want people to get you, and from what time to what time?
I'm available from today, from 8 a.m. in the morning up to 9 p.m. in the evening.
Okay.
My hotel is the Hampton.
Yeah, you can tell, they can see the address on the screen.
Yes, Hampton Inn Suites. That is in Seattle.
Let me expand the address for them.
Go lower. Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now they can see. They can see the address so well. Yeah. You can say it. You
Yeah,
see?
yeah. So that's my address, the Hampton Inn Suites. So it's on 31720
Okay.
Gateway Center Boulevard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see, people here work, they have different schedules. There are some people who want to go to work very early in the morning.
Yeah.
So those people can pass through
Yes.
and have a discussion with you at 8 p.m. or 8 a.m.
Yeah,
from 8 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like they just call me. Maybe that those who are early birds.
Yeah.
They can come. I'm open. I'm
Okay.
an early bird as well.
Okay.
So anytime I'm ready, because I'm not just here, just to sleep. I'm
Okay.
here to make sure every
Okay.
Kenyan has something back at home.
Are you flexible to move where they are? Maybe
Yes.
somebody and maybe a group of colleagues, maybe they want you to go where they are. Are you flexible to
Yes,
that?
I am very flexible. Just the other day, I was hosted in our home, and we had a good time, and people are ready to listen about what we are offering.
Okay.
So I'm open.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the plans for Optiven Properties in the coming years? And how do you see the company growing?
As we speak right now, we are almost 650 of us. So the company is,
When you say 650 of us, who do you
like
refer to?
the Optiven employees.
Employees?
Yes,
650.
it's an army.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Optiven is creating jobs.
Okay.
Optiven is out there making sure also the economy, stabilizing and making sure that making sure that customers receive the value of their money and return on investment.
Yeah.
So we are growing. We're having more in our. We're actually going to AI, and we are also getting more land in different areas. And now we have the Optiven Homes that is building for customers who are here.
Okay.
Yes.
I have a friend who is listening from I saw it Marysville. His name is Peter Kareri. He's saying, what happened with your director, president? He's not coming back to Seattle anymore, and that people are missing him. Mutete.
Dr. George Washuri should be coming, soon. But you see, about leadership.
Yeah.
Is when
you
delegate. And when a leader believes in you, it means that you have the potential. And if you're a leader, you can't be doing everything.
Yeah.
So you have to mentor, like people like Joan.
Yeah.
And trust them that they will deliver. So I've been doing it for so many years with Optiven. And they have so much faith in me.
Yeah.
So when you see me, you see Dr.
In fact, people have rated you the way you're answering questions. They are giving you 8 out of 10.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay. Your parting shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So my parting shot is that I would like people to come and to my hotel. I would like people to invite me to their homes. I'm here to make sure that you invest with Optiven, and we have properties for you, for each and everyone. As low as $139,000, you can invest with Optiven. Just reach me on 205-899-3061. I'll say again, 205-899-3061.
Okay. Share with us platforms for Optiven. Which platforms do you have?
We have our website, that is www.optiven.co.ke. And then my email is redeem, like redemption. I'm redeemed again. So redemption at optiven.co.ke.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Joan, for visiting Pacific Waves TV.
Yeah.
Pacific Waves TV has partnered with Optiven for the last 7 years.
Yes.
So we are so grateful. Our reception ready. We'll have tea for you.
Thank you very much. I
Yeah.
appreciate. They are
Yeah.
so lovely. They hosted me in.
Okay.
I appreciate them.
Okay.
Yeah, and thank you for hosting me.
Yeah, and you are so much welcome.
Yes.
Come and give us a report.
Yes.
I'm sure you'll have a good report
Yeah.
for Seattle people.
Definitely.
Yeah.
All right.
This was Kerry Prestige. I was your host, hosting Joan Williams from Optiven Group Limited. Until next time, when she brings back the report. Shalom.
Shalom.
Have you ever dreamt living a life of opulence? Good news, we have you covered. My name is Dr. Joshua Shirley. We have the best of the best news ever in the East African coast. We thank God for all those who bought a Zone 1. We have now a zone that we call 5-star, whereby we are doing carbon paved roads, we are doing solar street lighting, we are doing water recirculation, we are doing entire place, we are doing perimeter wall. And guess what? We have a private clubhouse, we have a swimming pool. See you there. Let us retire honorably. This is exactly what you need in your life. Peace of mind, happy communities, long life. My name is Dr. Joshua Shirley, introducing Vipingo Prime by Optiven. Vipingo Prime comes with perimeter wall, swimming pool, clubhouse, carbon paved roads, coconut trees planted along the roads, beautiful global gate, and this property is only 4.5 kilometers of the ocean.
All you slice of Vipingo Prime today.
This is exactly what you need in your life. Peace of mind, happy communities, long life. My name is Dr. Joshua Shirley, introducing Vipingo Prime by Optiven. Vipingo Prime comes with perimeter wall, swimming pool, clubhouse, carbon paved roads, coconut trees planted along the roads, beautiful global gate, and this property is only 4.5 kilometers of the ocean.
All you slice of Vipingo Prime today.
You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.